Good morning, Spectrum High School students, and welcome to week 6 of distance learning. We have 3 weeks of school remaining until we reach that finish line for the 2019 and 20 school year. As that date approaches, I want to encourage you here for these last 3 weeks to continue to communicate with us. Reach out and talk to your teachers. Take them up on their offers for Zoom meetings and Google Hangouts. Your school counselors, Mr. Skog, and myself are all available and are here to assist you with whatever those needs that you have might be. My announcements are quick and short this morning. Number one, I wanted to mention our senior shout-outs on our social media outlets. Everybody jump on and take a look and congratulate those seniors for their accomplishment, obviously, this year. And as that graduation date gets closer, we cannot wait to help honor you as the year finishes out. Take your breaks, get away from your computer, your Chromebook, and your phone. Hang in there is my number one message for all of you this morning. We just have a few weeks remaining. Get your work done, get it done on time, do your very best, you guys. I cannot believe where we are right now compared to where we were even 6 weeks ago when we started this journey. You guys have all done a terrific job, and I want to thank you for your hard work, your dedication, and your efforts to do whatever it is that you can do to continue educating yourself and the work that you have done to obviously better our community and better your family lives. I just can't believe it, and I am so proud of the work that you have done, as well as proud of the work that our staff has done. Don't forget, it is Teacher Appreciation Week, so reach out to your teachers and give them those individual thank yous, and remember what we have going on behind the scenes for those teachers. And I encourage all of you guys to just hang in there this week. I know it's been a long haul and it's been tough, but we've just got a few weeks left, and I wish you all well. I hope you're all safe and happy, and have a great week.